8, implementing rules and regulations. 10, on page 4, line 7, after the word commission and a comma, insert the phrase and the Department of Trade and Industry, and a comma. Then on line 8, before the second word department, insert the word D. Then on line 9, before the word interior, insert the word D and capitalize the letters N and C on the words national and commission. I so move, Mr. President.
In objection. Hearing none, approved.
On the renumbered section 9, separability clause, on page 4, lines 12 to 14, reword the entire section 9 to read as follows. Section 9, separability clause. In any provision of this act is declared unconstitutional, the remainder hereof not otherwise affected shall remain in full force and effect. I so move, Mr. President.
In objection. Hearing none, approved.
On the renumbered section 10, repealing clause, on page 4, lines 15 to 18, reword the entire section 10 to read as follows. Section 10, repealing clause. All other laws, presidential decrees, executive orders, letters of instruction, proclamations, administrative orders, rules or regulations that are inconsistent with this act are hereby repealed, amended, or modified accordingly. I so move, Mr. President.
In objection. Hearing none, approved.
On the renumbered section 11, effectivity clause, on page 4, line 19, after the word days, delete and replace the word after with the word following. Then on line 20, the words official gazette should be italicized. I so move, Mr. President.
In objection. Hearing none, approved.
On the long title, bilang huling amyenda, bunga ng suhestyon ng ating Ginoong Pangulo, Senate President Vicente Soto III, amend the long title to read as follows. An act providing for multi-faith prayer and quiet rooms in public offices and public-facing establishments. I so move, Mr. President.
In objection. Hearing none, approved.
Ginoong Pangulo, ako po ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat kay Senator Mark Villar, Senator Raffy Tulfo, Senator Erwin Tulfo, Senadora Pia Cayetano, Senador Joel Villanueva, Senadora Loren Legarda, sa atin pong pinunong mayorya, Ginoong Samurai Mig Zubiri, at siyempre po sa inyo pong lingkod, sa aming pong Senator Pro Tempore, Senator Panfilo Lacson, sa inyo pong lahat, kay Senator, sa ating pong Ginoong Pangulo, na nagsulong din po nito, Senator Vicente Soto III, sa atin pong Secretariat staff, sa kanilang tulong upang ayusin po ang ating panukala. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Wala na po akong susunod na amyenda. Mabuhay po.
Thank you. Majority Leader.